Have you ever looked in the mirror and wished you could instantly improve your looks without spending a dime? Well, you're in luck because I've got 10 simple and effective ways to do just that. These tips are easy to implement and won't cost you a penny. So let's dive in and discover how you can enhance your appearance without breaking the bank. First and foremost, let's talk about posture. Good posture can instantly make you look taller, slimmer, and more confident. Stand up straight, roll your shoulders back, and hold your head high. Not only will this improve your appearance, but it will also make you feel more self-assured. Next, let's focus on your smile. A genuine smile can light up your face and make you appear more approachable. So, flash those pearly whites and spread some positivity wherever you go. Remember, a smile is the best accessory you can wear. Moving on to skincare. Taking care of your skin doesn't have to be expensive. Drink plenty of water, eat a balanced diet, and get enough sleep to keep your skin looking healthy and radiant. You can also try DIY face masks using ingredients from your kitchen, such as honey, yogurt, and oatmeal. When it comes to hair, a simple change in hairstyle can make a big difference. Experiment with different hairstyles, part your hair on the opposite side, or try a new hair accessory. You'll be surprised at how a small change can completely transform your look. Accessorizing is another great way to enhance your appearance. Dig through your jewelry box and find some statement pieces that can elevate your outfit. A bold necklace, a stack of bracelets, or a pair of statement earrings can add a touch of glamour to any look. Speaking of outfits, you don't need a closet full of designer clothes to look stylish. Mix and match pieces from your wardrobe to create new and interesting outfits. Play with colors, patterns, and textures to express your personal style and make a statement. Grooming is also key to looking your best. Keep your nails clean and well manicured, groom your eyebrows, and trim any unruly facial hair. These small details can make a big difference in your overall appearance. Another way to instantly improve your looks is by practicing good hygiene. Take a shower, brush your teeth, and use deodorant to stay fresh and clean. Personal hygiene is essential for making a good impression and feeling confident in your own skin. Don't forget about the power of a good night's sleep. Getting enough rest is crucial for your overall health and well-being, as well as your appearance. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to wake up feeling refreshed and looking your best. Lastly, confidence is the ultimate key to looking good. Embrace your unique features, be proud of who you are, and carry yourself with poise and self-assurance. Remember, true beauty comes from within, so let your inner light shine bright for the world to see. In conclusion, improving your looks doesn't have to cost a fortune. By following these 10 simple tips, you can instantly enhance your appearance and feel more confident in your own skin. So, stand tall, smile bright, and embrace your natural beauty. You're already stunning just the way you are.